All you have to do is listen and make money while lying in your bed. Go to the website by clicking here. Listen to this music for meditation. It's bringing money in for me on autopilot while you're lying in your bed. In today's video, I'm gonna offer you a free bot and all you have to do is click it. And I know it seems weird, but it works and it works quickly. And I'm talking about $500 a day, $700 a day. And I'm gonna show you a proof in this video that this bot does all of the work for you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day. So make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the first site you should visit is this right in front of your screens, and don't worry, I'll give you the URL after I describe each step so you can easily follow along. So first, go to this website, and this website basically pays you and people all around the world to write things for them, and that's what they all do. They pay blog writers whose sole purpose is to get you to read every single word. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to write anything, I'm lazy, I didn't pass English. Listen, you don't have to write anything because the bot that I'm gonna give you as promised is gonna do all of the work for you. Look, check it out. So you can see Megan Hart, you see Tom Tracy, you see Hannah. All these people right now are currently being paid $100 to $1,000 per article. Look at my girl Megan here. I'm gonna click on her CDC here, and you can see she wrote all of these articles. So imagine writing, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, CFC makes an average of $300. That's $2,100 just by typing words on the computer here. And the best part about this is that the bot will do all of the work for you. Now, if you go over here to Talent Network, you'll see that people get paid for blog posts, articles, ebooks, guides, and website pages. These are all the different categories that they have here, and we're gonna kind of focus on the blog post here. This is where money can come very fast to you by using this free bot that I'm gonna give you in a second. So what you want to do is click on Talent Network, go to join the Talent Network here, then type in your name. It's that simple. Here I have a full account now, and what I can do is get ready to start making money here. This is you, and I want you to pretend and imagine that this is your account and that you're getting ready to use this free bot to make a couple $100s per day. You have to imagine leaving your 9 to 5. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. As you can see, it says CV completion, which is what your resume is called. All you have to do now is click on Improve Your CV and make sure you fill out all of the information to 100%. As you can see, this is a fresh new account created specifically for this video. You want to connect all of your social media accounts here, including Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, since it'll allow you to be found on the website, and I'm sure you'll be surprised at how simple it is. It's strange how this stuff works, and this bot is insane, you'll love it. So on the right side at the bottom, there's a button here that says Add Content. Can you see that? So it's asking me to paste a URL here because it wants me to start adding content, because that's how you start making money. But as I promised, you don't need to be an excellent writer, you don't need to know anything. Even if you don't speak English, it doesn't matter. Seafood will play. You don't need to know anything about any form of writing here. I'm gonna show you how to get Backdoorbot, so we're gonna click off here and check it out. I'm gonna click on a site by name because we need to create an article. So question is, what will they write about? So let's suppose we're gonna create an article about business. we'll go to google.com. So we're gonna type in business article because what we want to do is show other people on that website that we're capable writers, even though technically we aren't. However, we'll rely on the bot to do all of the work. So to find our article, let's go to New York Times. Everyone knows what the New York Times is, but the important thing is that we want to find an article that's already popular. That's the key to making money. We can use the bot to make sense of it so you can start bringing in some cash. So I'm gonna click on McKinsey open the door in its firewall between pharma clients and regulators here. And if I scroll down all these ads here, you can see this right here, so I'm gonna copy and paste that. Now listen, I'm not gonna use that and post that on Clear Voice, and yes, Clear Voice is the URL of this very amazing platform that we're using. What I'm gonna do instead is I'm using my bot, which is quillbot.com. Quillbot is going to make you a lot of money. Let me show you what you gotta do. So what I did is I copied and pasted the article from New York Times, and what Quillbot does is it rearranges words. It replaces nouns and adjectives, so it's powerful and it basically does a paraphrase. Check this out. I'll click on paraphrase here and boom, look at that. It changed the entire paragraph. If you look here, it says, in December 2017, Jeff Smith, a partner at the prestigious consulting company McKinsey & Company. As you can see, the first sentence here changed. Jeff Smith, a partner at the prestigious consulting company McKinsey & Company. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that first sentence here. I'm gonna go to Google Docs, which is a free site, go to docs.google.com, and then I'm gonna copy and paste it here. And then I'm gonna go back again to the article that we had at the New York Times. This is how you make money. It's so easy since you just copy and paste. Again, as you can see here, I'm not using the actual content. Instead, I'm using the bot. Yes, the bot to paraphrase everything. Just comment the bot if you believe that this bot will help you make money every day. This bot is actually the reason why I'm not working the job anymore, since it's doing all the work for me. So once I copy and paste that, then I'm just gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna hit paraphrase again, and as you can see, you just do that until you have a complete article. So Quillbot is going to paraphrase the article, and it's basically going to create a new article for you. Then once you have that new article, see if I have this article that I'm gonna call Amazing Bot, for example. So what we're gonna do is go to File. As you can see here, Google Docs allows you to do Docs, ODT, RTF, and PDF. This is what we need. This is the format that they want for Clear Voice, so we're gonna make it into a PDF file. After that, go back here, upload file, and as you can see here, boom, Amazing Bot PDF. You upload it like this. Now, once you upload this document, you can keep doing this over and over again with different articles, and people will start to see your content and they're gonna pay you money without you doing anything. The bot is doing the work. Comment below, the bot is doing the work. So we're gonna pick a category over here. It can be lead generation, advertisement, or whatever category you wanna click on, and then you'll wanna fill in the primary role, such as your self-content type. And then you'll wanna upload an image right here. Why? Because the image will make it more attractive, similar to an Instagram photo, and guess what? You'll need to get another picture and post it here so that more people will read your article and they'll pay you a lot of money to do so. Next, we'll go to pexels.com to get our image. This is where I go because everything is free. Free videos, free stock photos, and other amazing things. Pexel is powerful because every image on this site is free, so you don't have to spend any money here. So people go here to discover photos. Say if I want this picture of a beautiful woman right here, I can basically just click on it, hit the download button, and it's gonna download right to my laptop. As you can see, it just downloaded. Then I'll go back here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the image here, and then I'm gonna put the gorgeous woman here right in the red dress. After that, just gonna upload here, and I'll just hit update, then it's done. Look at that, cool, beautiful woman right there. Amazing Bot, that's your first article, and you can do this over and over again in order to make money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.